Christmas and a Happy New Year, everyone!
And happy birthday, Pastor Paul. We are so thankful that we have the chance to meet, although not in person, but we are so thankful for your great support, for your love for our ministry, for all the prayers, and be assured that we are also praying for all of you. And our wish for you on your birthday for more happiness, more blessing, and may the Lord continue to give the desire of your heart. We believe that more people will be blessed by your life, by your ministry. Keep on serving the Lord with full-heartedly, with joy, with perseverance. I know that the ministry is very hard, but just keep on serving God. You are a model to us. You are a great encouragement. Your messages, your emails, the news on the Right Bible Fellowship, it gives us joy. It gives us encouragement. And rest assured that we will keep on serving the Lord. We will continue to be faithful. And hopefully one day we could see each other in person. We're looking forward to that. Again, happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday, Pastor Paul. God bless.
Stop na po.